Have you seen Coolizi online and wondered if it's actually worth buying? Or is it just another product making big promises? In this review, I'll go over what Coolizi offers, its pros and cons, and whether it's something you should consider. First, let's talk about what Coolizi claims to do. The company says its product is designed to solve a specific problem while being simple to use. The marketing sounds impressive. But as always, it's important to look beyond the advertisements. One thing I like is that the product has a clean and user-friendly design. It appears easy to set up, and many buyers say they had no trouble getting started. That's always a plus, especially if you don't like complicated products. On the other hand, not every customer has had the same experience. Some users say the product met their expectations. Others felt the results were average or took longer than expected. That's pretty common with products like this because everyone's needs are different. Another thing to check is the return policy and customer support before placing an order. Knowing you have the option to return the product if it doesn't work for you can give you extra peace of mind. So, is Coolizi legit or a scam? Based on the information available, there isn't strong evidence suggesting it's a scam. It appears to be a real product sold through official channels. However, that doesn't automatically mean it's the perfect choice for everyone. It's important to have realistic expectations and read genuine customer feedback before making a decision. My recommendation is simple. If Coolizi offers the features you're looking for and the price fits your budget, it may be worth trying. Just make sure you buy from the official source and understand the return policy first.